Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to think about something. I have my phone here. Oh, I'm gonna play like some. Oh, I got a good idea. I think I want to play like a sound on my iPhone. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna do it. Okay, I'm gonna press it. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Jesus, I hate that sound. Jeez, what the hell was that? What is he even saying? Oh my god. I'm gonna get Nightmare Freddy over here. Oh man, I like chilling over here. Wonder what I'm gonna do next. Nightmare Freddy! I need you to come over here. Why? Stop asking questions! I need you to come over here. No! Okay, so the sound is right here. Why'd you have to punch me in the face? Because I had to, Jesus. Okay, so what is the noise? Okay, here's the noise. I can't understand what that is. Yeah, it's stupid. I just can't understand. Let me just turn it. It's just dumb, isn't it? Yeah, it's really dumb. Oh, let's just go to this other room. Come on, get out of here. This is stupid. Man, Red Bulldog is such an idiot. I hate him and he's stupid and stuff. I really hope he won't find me. Man, that noise was weird, but at least I did something better. Right, Nightmare Freddy? Can you please flip me back over? Shut up! Can you please just flip me over? Stop asking questions! You better stop asking questions! Okay, good. Jesus. So guys, this is just the weirdest noise I've ever even heard. So let me just show you it. Yeah, that's just weird noise. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this video. See you next, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye, everybody.